Namaste friends, welcome to Infinity Pi Math. Today we are going to solve this problem. The question is 45 to the power m is equal to 75. Find the value of 3 to the power 2m minus 1 divided by m minus 2. 45 we can write this as 3 into 5 whole to the power m is equal to 75. We can write this as 3 into 5 into 5. Now we can write this as 3 square into 5 whole to the power m is equal to 3 into 5 square. As we know, a into b whole to the power m is equal to a to the power m into b to the power m. We will apply this formula here and we can write this equation as 3 square whole to the power m into 5 to the power m is equal to 3 into 5 square. As we know another formula, that is a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. Now we will apply this formula here and can rewrite this equation as 3 to the power 2 into m, that is 2m into 5 to the power m is equal to 3 into 5 square. Now bring this 3 to the left hand side of this equation and bring this 5 to the power m to the right hand side of the equation, and we can write the equation as 3 to the power 2m divided by 3 is equal to 5 square divided by 5 to the power m. As we know a formula, a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. We will apply this formula in this equation. Now we can rewrite this equation as 3 to the power 2m minus 1 is equal to 5 to the power 2 minus m. Here the question is, we need to find out the value of 3 to the power 2m minus 1 divided by m minus 2. Then we need to write this equation as 3 to the power 2m minus 1 whole to the power 1 by m minus 2. If we are doing to the power 1 by m minus 2 in the left hand side of the equation, then we need to do the same on the right hand side of the equation. Then we have to write 5 to the power 2 minus 1 whole to the power 1 by m minus 2. As we know, a to the power m to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. We will apply this formula here and can write this equation as 3 to the power 2m minus 1 multiply with 1 by m minus 2 will become divided by m minus 2. Now on the right hand side we can rewrite this equation as 5 taking minus 1 as common. This will become m minus 2 into 1 by m minus 2. This m minus 2 and m minus 2 will cancel out and the answer is 5 to the power minus 1. Then we can write the answer as 3 to the power 2m minus 1 divided by m minus 2 is equal to 1 by 5. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it enjoyable and informative. If you did, I kindly ask for your support by liking, sharing and subscribing to this channel. Thanks again. Until next time, take care and bye bye.